Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I want to provide you a step-by-step of how you can generate commissions with the System.io affiliate program. This is a great option for anyone looking to earn their first affiliate marketing income because System.io provides an extremely useful all-in-one software suite for online businesses. It has tools for building sales funnels, email marketing campaigns, hosting webinars, and more all in one software. Now, the absolute best part about promoting System.io as an affiliate is that the core software is 100% free, so users can just sign up and instantly start utilizing it. You don't even need a credit card to get started. And to get started, it's really easy. You just have to go to System.io and then get started by entering your email address. It's free forever, no credit card is required, and you can get your free account very fast. The sign-up process is really simple and doesn't take more than a few minutes. This allows you to drive traffic and refer people without having to convince them to make a purchase up front. System.io will build that relationship and goodwill with visitors by letting them use the free tools. Then, down the road, when those users want to upgrade to access more premium features and capabilities, that's where you as the affiliate can start generating commissions. Now let's log into the affiliate dashboard so I can show you exactly how it works. As you can see, the dashboard provides full transparency into your key metrics. How many signups you've referred, what percentage convert to paid customers, your total earnings, payouts, and so on. So a few things stand out right away. First, System.io has a fantastic conversion rate of around 5 to 6% from free to paid accounts. That is pretty high, especially for a software product. It shows they deliver a ton of value even with the free tools, which convinces users to eventually invest in premium capabilities. Second, the payout process is really smooth. You can simply connect your PayPal account and they process affiliate payments quickly and reliably. Getting paid regularly is essential for any affiliate program, so System.io checks that box. Now, one of my favorite parts about the System.io program is how you can earn commissions beyond just the core software fees. Within their platform, they also have a digital marketplace featuring various courses, ebooks, and other products. So even if someone just signs up for a free System.io account through your affiliate link, if they end up purchasing something from the marketplace down the road, you can still earn a commission from that sale. It's a great way to maximize your earning potential, since you get credit for anything they buy through System.io, not just the main software subscriptions. On top of that, they also offer a second-tier commission structure. So if someone becomes an affiliate through your link, they can start driving their own commissions and you earn a percentage of their earnings as well. That combination provides a very lucrative and stable income stream. So now, in terms of promotion strategies, here are a few quick tips. Don't make the mistake of blasting your affiliate links everywhere. This rarely converts well. Instead, focus on providing value and building relationships with your audience first. Establish trust by providing value. For example, you can create a free training guide where you share your personal story of how you were able to make a lot of money and achieve financial freedom with affiliate marketing. And towards the end of that guide, you can recommend checking out System.io as a comprehensive tool so that they can use to grow out their online businesses and achieve similar success. So this kind of content-driven approach works extremely well because you're reaching people who are already interested in the topic that you're discussing, which means they are much more likely to follow your suggestions and recommendations. So I hope that this video clearly explained how the System.io affiliate program works and why it works so well. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be very happy to answer all of them and help you get started to achieve your first affiliate marketing income. We also must remember that consistency is key, so don't give up after a few days or weeks if you're not seeing results yet. Good things take time and sales will eventually come. Thank you once again for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.